Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame cake. We will begin by selecting the right cake base, which is crucial for a stable and delicious result. This popular dessert involves layering cake and cream to form a beautiful, edible number or letter. You will learn the essential steps to create a stunning centerpiece for any celebration, ensuring both visual appeal and delightful flavor. Now, let's prepare your cake layers. You'll need a sturdy cake, perhaps a vanilla sponge or a firm shortbread, baked to about 1 inch in thickness. Print a template of your chosen number or letter, ensuring it is the correct size. Carefully cut 2 identical shapes from your cake, then chill them for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step helps the cake firm up, making it much easier to handle during assembly. With your cake layers ready, it's time to assemble the frame. Begin by placing your first chilled cake layer onto your chosen serving board. Next, using a piping bag fitted with a round or star tip, pipe generous dollops of your chosen buttercream or cream cheese, frosting around the entire edge of the cake. Carefully place the second cake layer directly on top, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the bottom layer to create a neat, defined frame. For the grand finale, let's decorate your frame cake. Pipe a second layer of frosting dollops onto the top cake layer, filling the frame you've created. Now, unleash your creativity. Adorn your cake with an array of fresh berries, delicate macarons, decadent chocolates, or vibrant edible flowers. A sprinkle of edible glitter or a light dusting of powdered sugar can add that perfect, elegant finishing touch, making your frame cake truly unforgettable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.